In this video, I'll show you how to fix screen mirroring problems on your LG TV quickly and easily. Step 1. Check your network. Make sure both your LG TV and your phone or device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Screen mirroring won't work if they are on different networks. Step 2. Restart devices. Turn off your LG TV and your phone or device. Unplug your TV for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Restart your phone as well. Step 3. Enable screen mirroring on LG TV. Press the input or source button on your LG remote. Select Screen Share or Mirrorcast. Wait until your TV shows Waiting for connection. Step 4. Connect your phone or device. On your phone, go to Settings, Connection, Screen Mirroring. May vary by device. Select your LG TV from the list. If asked, accept the connection on your TV. Step 5. Update software. On your LG TV, press Settings, All Settings, General, About this TV, check for updates. Update if any new software is available. Step 6. Reset network settings, optional. On your TV, go to Settings, General, Reset to Initial Settings. This resets network and other settings to fix stubborn problems. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you fix your LG TV screen mirroring, hit like and subscribe for more tech tips.